My name is Lucia. I am the founder and owner of LISVALU. LISVALU provides personal development training online to women and girls 18 years and over through structured courses. One of the courses that we provided to you guys is called the Grow course, which are for beginners, and it's for women who believe they need to reinforce self-love. It's actually learning to love yourself more and also learn to understand why you should love yourself more. We have partnered with the OR program to bring to you this course called Grow, and I'm hoping to see all 19 of you guys at this course. I'm hoping to see the enthusiasm and the self-investment that you have placed in you as a woman, as a person, as an individual, as a soul, as self. I'm hoping to see that when you come to this course, you come with an open mind. You're not expecting a quick fix, but you will expect to see a continual growth as you take this course. I recommend that you go to the Canvas page and register on the link below. Click on that link and register for my course. I'll be starting tomorrow evening, 8 to 9, every other Wednesday. I can't wait to see you guys. I can't wait to hear and share our stories. It's not about competing, but it's about growth. It's about being someone better than who you are right now. It's about learning to accept failures and learning to improve on those failures. Learn to accept the success and learn to better the successes. So as professional women, when you come to this personal development workshop called the Grow, it will help you also in your personal life, and the change will also begin. I hope to see you tomorrow evening. Can't wait to share the experience. See you guys. Cheers.